What's happening? This your boy, Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. We outside today, we getting it going. It's nice and sunny, clear skies and all that, but it is not that warm. So I got my hoodie on. We out here grilling up some of this grilled chicken and dumplings. Oh yeah, I'm grilling my chicken, and then I'm gonna make some chicken and dumplings with it. Check this meat out. Oh yeah. We got some nice boneless, skinless quotas, ghetto barbecue with them leg quarters. We got these bad boys nice and seasoned up, and we got them going. Looking pretty good. We got a couple little flare-ups. I got some regular Kingsford Charcoal down there to help with that smoke flavor, help with the taste. And boy, let me let you check out this rub. Check out how I put this rub together. Alright, you start off with 2 tablespoons of this Goya total seasoning. 1, 2. Alright, next we got 1 teaspoon of this Goya Adobo, the red cap. We follow that up with 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder. 1.5 tablespoon of garlic powder. Yeah, that's coming along fine. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. Then we round all this off up with 1/4 packed cup of brown sugar. Either light or darker brown sugar will do. I think this is dark. Either one will do, so it doesn't matter. Alright, let's get this mixed up. So we got this all mixed up. Nice and combined. You break up them little chunks of brown sugar, because it does make little chunks. So now, we out here checking this chicken. Yeah, that's looking good. Let's flip that over. Oh yeah. Yeah. So we're just getting a nice smoky flavor on here. We're gonna probably cook it 3/4 of the way, and then I'm gonna get it in there, chop it up, and get it ready for my dumpling mixture. So this is definitely coming along fine. Up, dropped a piece. I'm gonna actually get down there and get that and eat it when it's done. Yeah, no shame in that game. So let me bring this over some. Oh yeah. Okay, we got some flare-ups. We got some nice grilled chicken, nice savory rub. Yeah, savory, sweet, what your body looks for, what your body needs. Of course, in moderation. All right, so I'm gonna finish grilling up this chicken, and we're gonna get these chicken and dumplings together. All right, so finishing up the last of this chicken. Oh yeah, this is the last 2 little pieces. Focusing, oh yeah, look at that. Nice, charred up, grill flavor. It's gonna impart some serious flavor on this chicken and dumpling. Look at that. Yeah, all right, let's get this pulled. There's the other ones. As you can see, they are done, nice and juicy. They're not done all the way though, so I have some smaller pieces that I sampled. Me and the wife sampled. I think that piece right there is done, so I might give that to the kids. But that's the chicken. So on with these chicken and dumplings, grilled chicken and dumplings that is. Your boy Keenan, doing it on Sunday. So now it's time to get these dumplings started. it starts off with about 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let the butter brown, let it clarify. I like to do that because it adds flavor to your food. I like that nuttiness that brown butter adds. So I'm going to get this started, and then I'm going to let you check out these veggies. So I got my butter browning. It smells nice and nutty. I love this smell. And these are my veggies. What I got in here is 1/4 onion, 3 green onions, the green part only, 3 sprigs of thyme, 1/4 cup chopped Italian parsley, 2 tablespoons of the, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the chopped garlic out the jar, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of dried basil. Alright. So I got all that going. Going good. Going real good. Smells amazing. So I'm going to let this go a minute. I got all that nice brown butter in there. Love browning my butter. It is amazing. And it's going to come out pretty good. I guarantee you. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Yeah. Alright. So that is coming along good. As you can see, that brown butter in there is going good. It is going good. Alright. So let me cook this down. Let it get nice and translucent. And then I'm going to add my broth, and then I'm putting a new twist on dumplings, a nice semi-homemade twist. This is how I grew up doing it. Alright, back in a minute. Okay, so I got these bad boys nice and sauteed up in 6 tablespoons of butter. That is 3 stalks of celery, 1/4 onion, 3 green onions, the green part only, 3 sprigs of thyme, 1/4 cup of chopped Italian parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic out the jar, and 1 tablespoon of dried basil. And now I'm adding in 1 of the cartons of chicken stock. Alright, so I have that chicken stock in there. It doesn't look like it's a lot of liquid in there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water, and then as it's boiling, I'm going to check it, and then I'm going to be seasoning to taste with my Goya Total Season. That's all I'm going to use, and plus, I'm going to add a lot more seasoning when I put the chicken in here. I got that grilled chicken chopped up, and I'm going to add that in there. But check out how I twist up these dumplings. This is how I'm putting the twist on the dumplings. I'm using these Crescent Rolls. I'm going to pop these bad boys open. I'm going to cut them up in little pieces. Then I'm going to drop them in this broth with this chicken. In the broth, I added another half of the cartons of chicken stock and 2 cups of water. So I'm going to leave it at that. And then when I add this chicken in there that's nicely seasoned and grilled, I'm going to taste it. And then I'm going to season the taste if need be. Let's get these dumplings started. So I got these bad boys popped open. All I'm going to do is just cut little pieces. You don't want like big long pieces. You want nice little squares, you know, because they're going to puff up and float. So you want to make sure you got a lot of little pieces and not like some big pieces. So I'm just cutting them in little squares like that. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to finish the rest of these up and get them dropped in this broth. So I got these dumplings up in here. I'm going to go ahead and cover it for a second, let them puff up, let them steam up, get nice and fluffy. They're already buttery. Then we're going to add this chicken and let it come to a boil. And then we're going to be ready to eat. Alright, so we got everything boiling. And these little dumplings, they came along fine. First time trying this. And looked like I nailed it. And the smell from the croissants, the Crescent Rolls, is like buttery. Now, I'm going to add all that chicken that I grilled up. I chopped it up. I didn't cook it all the way because I knew I was adding it to this. So we're going to add this in here. And we're going to get to slowly stirring it to get it all worked together and avoid clumpage. In the process of me bringing this to a boil, I stirred it every like 5 minutes so the dumplings wouldn't stick together. Alright, look at that. That's coming along fine. So I'm going to cover this and let it do its thing. And then we're going to check to see is the dumplings done. And then we're going to get a bowl together. Oh yeah, that lets you know we're really cooking right there. Alright, so we ready. As you can see, everything is done. You can see them chunks of chicken in there. Them crescent roll dumplings. You know, who would have thought you could use crescent rolls as dumplings, but hey, I'm willing to try anything. We got a lot of grilled chicken in there. Got the veggies, everything nice and rich. Yeah. So I'm going to get a bowl ready, but I'm going to definitely let it cool off first. So back in a minute. So let's get some ladled. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks amazing. Oh, nice and steamy. Look at that. What's that? Oh, a little piece of that thyme. So I'm going to definitely get that out the bowl. But this came out good. We tasted it. My boys tasted it. They loved it. Let's get that sprig of thyme out of there. We definitely don't want to be chewing on that. So this is my bowl. This is my grilled chicken and dumplings. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're going to want to try this one. You're going to definitely want to grill your meat before you turn it into some dumplings or any kind of soup. I am definitely starting to get into that. Alright, so I'm going to let this cool off a minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and sample some. Here we go. Let's sample some of this. Grilled chicken and dumplings. You definitely want to blow it. Some of that dumpling. Dumplings was made with the crescent rolls. Don't fall asleep on that. A lot of people, you know, they got their own recipes, whatever. Shortcut, real quick and easy. Get you a can of biscuits or some crescent rolls. I grew up eating them with the canned biscuits. My grandma used to do that. And let's see what this dumpling tastes like. It's a whole nother texture. It's real light. The buttery taste from the crescent rolls itself, you know, that goes into the broth and the soup. So, oh yeah, this came out amazing. It's your boy Kenan. Kenan just felt like cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm almost at 50 subscribers, so I'm gonna say thank you to the 50th subscriber right now. One.
Yeah, I feel better.
Alright. Not only do I want to thank the 50th subscriber, like I said, the first 49, I greatly appreciate it. Hope you learned something. Hope you got some tips for me. Keep checking your boy out. More things to come. Kenan just felt like cooking. I got a little thing on Instagram. You can check that out. And on the TikTok. Oh yeah, I'm on TikTok. One.